Imagine you are cruising down the highway and suddenly your engine starts shaking like it is about to jump out of the hood. Your power drops significantly and that orange check engine light stares you right in the face. If you have plugged in a scanner and pulled the code P0273, take a deep breath because we are going to fix this. This specific code points to a low voltage situation in the fuel injector circuit for cylinder number 5. Basically, your car's computer, PCM, is trying to fire that injector, but the signal is getting lost or is too weak. When this happens, cylinder 5 is not getting enough fuel, which we call running lean. This creates a domino effect. The oxygen sensor sees the lean mixture and tells the computer to dump more fuel into all the cylinders to compensate. So now you have one cylinder starving and the others drowning in fuel. Your gas mileage is going to plummet and you might hear a knocking sound, which is detonation caused by the heat in that lean cylinder. The computer hears that knock and pulls back the timing, making the car feel even more sluggish. It's a mess, but the fix is often simpler than you think. Now, before you go out and buy a brand new injector, we need to do some detective work. In my experience, the #1 culprit is not actually a bad injector, but a loose or corroded connector. Locate cylinder 5, which you can find in your owner's manual firing order diagram. Check that plastic clip on the injector. Give it a gentle tug. If it pops off, or if you see green corrosion inside the pins, that is your problem right there. Clean it up, put some dielectric grease on it, and snap it back on. If the wiring looks good, grab a long screwdriver. Put the metal tip against the body of the injector and the handle against your ear while the engine is running. You should hear a rhythmic clicking sound. If it is silent, it is either not getting power or the internal solenoid is dead. If it is clicking, but you still have the code in a misfire, it might just be clogged. Before replacing it, I highly recommend trying a direct injector flush kit. You hook a bottle of high-pressure cleaner directly to the fuel rail, disable the fuel pump, and run the engine off the cleaner. It's a pro move that can save you hundreds of dollars and clean your other injectors at the same time. Only if that fails should you look at replacing the part.